Welcome back to the GB How To channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable app permissions. For example, permissions for the camera or microphone, and so on. Don't skip the video so you don't miss any important steps. Long press the icon of the app you want and tap the eye icon. Select permissions. Here are the permissions that the app is currently allowed to access. You can disable any permission within the app by selecting Don't Allow. Similarly, you can enable them by selecting Allow Only while using the app. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.